Good morning student. Today practical class have discussed about systematic qualitative analysis of simple inorganic salt. The simple inorganic salt contain one acid radical and one basic radical is there. You can detect the acid radical and basic radical by systematic analysis. The first step of analysis is preliminary test. Take a salt, touch the salt with the finger. The salt like smooth surface or rough surface. This salt is rough surface. Rough surface means the physical state of the salt is crystalline solid. Then go for color. Just see the color. Color is colorless. Then go for solubility test. Take a pinch of salt to the clean test tube. Add some small amount of water. The given salt is completely soluble in water under cold condition. See the test tube, a clear solution or transparent solution is obtained. This means the given salt is completely soluble in water. Hence, the salt solution or original solution is prepared by using water. Preliminary test is over. Then go for the next step, detection of acid radical. First, what is the group reagent for first group acid radical? Dilute HCl. Salt plus dilute HCl add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು testable reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Add first salt. First group reagent is dilute HCl. See the test tube, either color change, evolution of gas and precipitate. ಏನಾದರೂ testable reaction ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? No reaction takes place in the test tube. That means first group acid radical are absent. Then go for second group acid radical analysis. Okay. In the second group acid radical analysis, take a test tube should be 100% dry. In the second group acid radical analysis, second group reagent is concentrated sulfuric acid. The test tube containing salt, add concentrated sulfuric acid. See the test tube, evolution of brown gas is obtained. Evolution of brown gas. Characteristic reaction takes place in the test tube. Evolution of brown gas, the solution turns brown. This indicates that second group acid radicals are present, maybe bromide. Then go for the confirmatory test for bromide, Br minus. There are two confirmatory tests for bromide. First one globule test, then second one silver nitrate test. Take a salt solution. Salt solution means the given salt is soluble in which solvent or which reagent. Already know the given salt is soluble in water. That is the original solution or salt solution. Add carbon tetrachloride solution. Then one more reagent added is chlorine water. Then shake the test tube. Orange red globules are separated out. This indicates that Br minus is confirmed. The first confirmatory test is over. Next confirmatory test for bromide is silver nitrate test. Salt solution or original solution plus dilute HNO3, dilute nitric acid and add silver nitrate solution. Add ಮಾಡೋಣ. Add dilute HNO3, then add silver nitrate solution. Pale yellow precipitate is obtained at the surface of the liquid in the test tube. The pale yellow precipitate is sparingly means it is not completely soluble, it is sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Add ammonium hydroxide solution. Let us observe the pale yellow precipitate, it sparingly soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Complete agi soluble agilla. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, half partially soluble agide. Okay, Br minus is confirmed. This indicates that the given acid radical is bromide, Br minus. Next, detection of basic radicals. Detection of basic radical alli first you prepare original solution. Original solution na prepare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Original solution means the given salt is soluble in which reagent. Already you know the salt is soluble in water under cold condition. Okay, add salt and water. This is your original solutions. Okay, original solution ನಿಮಗೆ analysis of basic radical from first group to 6th group analysis ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ original solution. In detection of basic radical, first detect the zero group basic radical. In zero group basic radical alli take salt. Zero group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Zero group basic radical salt plus sodium hydroxide solution, NaOH solution and heat. Okay, what you observe, ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Take a salt in zero group analysis. Add sodium hydroxide, carefully NaOH solution, and just heat the solution. Just heat the solution with the help of test tube holder. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂಗತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಪಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಥರ ಘಾಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಗತ್ರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಪಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಪಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ. ಝೀರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಝೀರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವರ್. Next go for first group basic radical analysis. What are the reagents are present in the first group? Original solution and dilute HCl. Already you prepared original solution. Take around approximately 0.5 ml of original solution and add one more reagent, dilute hydrochloric acid. Add dilute hydrochloric acid. ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ HCl, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. It is known as hydrogen sulfide, H2S. ಇದೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೈಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕ್ಲೋರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ known as hydrogen sulfide, H2S is added. Add hydrogen sulfide. Let us observe, no precipitate is obtained in the test tube. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಆಡ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್, ammonium chloride crystals. Then add ammonium hydroxide. Add ammonium hydroxide. No precipitate is observed in the test tube. Test tube alli yavade precipitate formation aagta illa. This indicates that third group basic radicals also absent. Third group basic radicals are absent. Okay. Third group absent ಆದಮೇಲೆ then go for fourth group of basic radical. Fourth group ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಮೋನಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್. excess. In fourth group also no precipitate is obtained. This indicates that fourth group basic radicals are absent. Fourth group also absent. Then go for next fifth group basic radical analysis. Next, analysis for fifth group basic radical. Take original solution. Add ammonium chloride crystal. Then add ammonium hydroxide. Then add ammonium carbonate. Carefully observe the test tube. Ammonium carbonate add ಮಾಡಿ. White precipitate is obtained. This indicates that fifth group basic radicals are present. In the fifth group basic radicals, there are three radicals is present: barium, strontium and calcium. Test for individual radical. First test for barium, then test for strontium and test for calcium. In that experimental column, confirmatory test for barium, the test name is potassium chromate test. In the potassium chromate test, original solution plus dilute acetic acid plus potassium chromate solution is added. What you observe in the test tube? ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. The reagents add original solution, dilute acetic acid and potassium chromate solution. Add ಮಾಡೋಣ. First add dilute acetic acid. Then add potassium chromate solution. Careful ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You observe yellow precipitate is obtained. This indicates that barium is present or barium is confirmed. Next, go for the common test for fifth group basic radical analysis is flame test. Flame test ಮಾಡೋಣ. In the flame test, salt is made into a thin paste with concentrated hydrochloric acid is held on the non-luminous flame with the help of glass rod. What is the color of the flame is imparted is observed. First, make a thin paste with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Salt is made into a thin paste with concentrated hydrochloric acid. A thin paste is held on the non-luminous flame with the help of glass rod. See here. It is observed apple green color or grassy green color is imparted to the flame. This indicates that Ba2 plus is confirmed. The basic radical is Ba2 plus. Barium is confirmed. Last step of the procedure is result. How can write the report? You can observe. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಸಿಡ್ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? It is name bromide. Written in the name column. Bromide. The symbol of the bromide is Br minus. Next, basic radical. The name of the basic radical is barium. The symbol of the barium is Ba2 plus. The given salt. In the given inorganic salt, any inorganic salt contain first cation, then comes anion. ನೀವು ಇನಾರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ನ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಆನಯಾನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್? Cation is Ba2 plus. Then Ba2 plus. What is the anion? Is Br minus. The charge on the barium is +2. Can written only number. It is 2. Charge on the bromide. Charge is minus. In this case, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ the charge means 1. Assumption. Charge 1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. The charge is 1. Just cross multiply the charge of the both the ion. It is charge of the bromide is 1 multiplied with barium. Charge of the barium is 2 multiplied with bromide. Okay, that is the given salt formula is BaBr2. The given salt name barium bromide. Symbol of the salt is BaBr2.